Have you ever gone to bed wishing your eyes could heal themselves overnight? Imagine waking up tomorrow with sharper, clearer vision. No squinting at the morning paper, no struggling with blurry road signs. This isn't a mere wish. It's a reality within our grasp through the right nutrition. By simply adding a few cooked vegetables to your dinner plate, you could allow your eyes to repair themselves during sleep, transforming each night's rest into a revitalizing experience that bolsters your eyesight. While the onset of age often brings challenges like cataracts or macular degeneration, it doesn't have to be an inevitable capture of our life's clarity. Picture your eyes like intricate cameras. They demand careful maintenance. Just as a camera needs clean lenses and shining lights to capture moments accurately, your eyes also need the right nutrients to function optimally. What if I told you that there are 4 common affordable veggies you can prepare easily to provide this essential care for your eyes? Let's delve into the first vegetable that you might recognize from your childhood: cooked carrots. You might recall the old saying, "Eat your carrots, they're good for your eyes." This isn't a myth. Cooking carrots enhances the availability of beta-carotene, which transforms into vitamin A in your body. Vitamin A rejuvenates the retina, the key component that collects light, providing the clarity needed for both bright and dim environments. Imagine enjoying a hearty bowl of warm carrot soup that not only comforts your evening but assures a clearer view the next day. Next on our list is spinach, a leafy green that transforms into a powerhouse when gently cooked. Packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, these powerful antioxidants serve as natural shields for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light from screens and sunlight. Visualize a plate of sautéed spinach accompanying your dinner. The vibrant green becomes a silent guardian for your eyesight, protecting and nourishing it as you sleep.